Okay, so I'm going to be replacing the coolant overflow hose going from my coolant reservoir to the one of the coolant hoses in my car. Basically, my mechanic had damaged or broken the coolant hose when he was doing some work on the car. I think he's replaced the radiator and also replaced the alternator over the last over the last year or so. And when he was doing one of those jobs, he had damaged the hose, and then he had fixed it with JB weld, which was like a temporary fix. So that's what he had fixed when he damaged it with JB weld. So this is what I'm gonna be replacing with the new hose. Essentially, this I think over a period of 6 months, maybe 8 months, I don't remember how long, but this stopped working and there's a leak, a coolant leak, which basically found its way to the bottom. And it doesn't matter how much I refill the coolant reservoir, it keeps leaking, and then I get a coolant warning on my coolant level low warning on my dash. So basically coolant level is low, and basically it comes out from here and probably leaks from here. As you can see, this comes out really easily. This is what he had used to fix it, but obviously it doesn't hold on. The coolant level is low. So I'm going to be replacing this. It should be fairly easy to replace. I think it's just a clip on this side, and there's supposed to be another similar clip I can see on this side, so it should be fairly easy. Let's see how easy it is to I think I'll probably need a screwdriver to remove this clip.